Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida, and I want to talk to you about a item I love. I have this on my personal truck. It's basically a cover with racks, so come on over here. This is a white Ram, which is like my truck, a white Ram. And I tell you, this is a wonderful setup. Now this is the retraxPro XR. Now what is the Pro? Well, the Pro is the old metal. It's a completely aluminum cover, and the XR is your T-slot rails. Now on this right now, we have the Yakima Skyline racks. Now the Skylines basically are round, they're kind of like an oval, and I like that. Besides looking better, it works better when you're putting stuff on here. As you can see, he has a safari basket, which is a terrific look on here. He also has got some other accessories, which we might take some videos later on down the road. He's got something for fishing rods and some other things. So, but let's go in here now. This is not the regular retrax, and let me show you some of the goodies on this. Okay, so we got the Bedrug in here. We also have the Swingcase, and of course, let me show you the other cool feature in this. That's it. Let's swing that out for you. Oops. Now the swings right out. You got all kinds of storage in here. He's already seen he's using it correctly. And of course, it just goes right in there. Look how easy it is. Now, let's show you the other cool feature on this. You ready for this? How's that? Oh, I gotta admit, I love it. It is fun. It's cool. It's practical. If he ever lifts this truck, you know, he doesn't have to worry about, you know, using his hand to open and close. He's got a remote. It does have an LED light, and that thing actually is very bright. At night, it will light up this bed very nicely. And of course, he's got the Bedrug. Now, you've probably seen from my previous videos, it's a very similar setup I have on my personal truck. As the owner, I can put anything I want in my truck. What he's got in his truck is very similar to what I have. I got a Bedrug, he's got the Bedrug. I got the Swingcase, I got the racks. Now, to be honest with you, he's got the better racks than I have. And he's got a little better cover because he's got the electronic cover, which at the time was not available for mine. So let's go ahead and play with this a minute, because I just love doing this. So. Now, just like the manual, this will stop anywhere along the track. So if you're actually putting something in there and you want to use the cover to kind of hold it in place, you can put it right up to the item and just let go of the remote, and it will stop at that spot. So it has all the benefits of the manual cover, plus a few extras like the LED light and stuff. All in all, this is called the Powertrax, and this is with the XR rail. All in all, this is a terrific setup. I really like this, and I like he didn't buy the safari basket for me, but I like that. I think it's actually a pretty sharp looking one. You know, to be honest with you, I think it's a little nicer than what I have in my truck. All in all, this is a terrific setup here. And if you like what you see, now of course you can always call us. We can order this for you. You can come in our showroom, do a little shopping. Dave or myself, Chris, I'll be glad to help you with any of this stuff. You can also go to our website. In the bottom of the video, you'll see the link to it. So if you want to buy just the Yakima rails by themselves, or you want to get the cover or anything else like the Bedrug or the Swingcase, we can take care of all that stuff. Now, if you want to stay on top of the latest products, subscribe to our channel. We're always doing new videos, and of course we love to do our cover videos. That's one of our bread and butter here, but we also like the extra add-ons here. Now, what I like about this video is to show you all the great things you can do with this cover. This setup opens up a world of fun. It really does. You can go camping, you can put all kinds of stuff in here for traveling. If you're gonna go to another state, you need more space, you can put it up here. There's just so many things you can do with this racks. So when you get this, the sky's the limit. Again, thank you for watching our video, and this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. Thanks.